MJ did not get the set she wanted. So did Mitch, but Mitch found a way. And the lead is down to 1 again.
You really can't leave a loose block against Michelle Gumabao. She has a heavy hand. She will hit it hard. Cez Molina there could not contain that attack of Michelle Gumabao.
MJ from behind. Oh.
Ball is out. We're tied at
3-0 run. Didn't I just say that? I just said these leads don't matter at the Creamline. They will find their way back. It's a matter of you bringing the game to them if you are Signal.
Miguel Negrido doing a good job putting Signal out of system with her serves.